Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some more possible 1 mark questions from real numbers. We'll continue from the 8th problem because first 7 problem we have uploaded in part 1 that you can visit. Here our question is decimal expansion of 13 by 6250. So without dividing we can find the answer very easily. Children, you just write like this: 13 by, this is actually 6250 we are having. What we should do is we have to make the denominator numbers to 0. So how to make this into zeros means this is 625 into 10, we can make it first. So the 625 can be written as 25 25s are 625 and this 10. Like this we can break it first. Now to make it into 25 into what number will bring you 100 means 4. So this 25 also I have to make it as 0. So here also I need one more 4. So what we are going to do means we are going to multiply and divide by 16. That means we are going to multiply and divide by 4 into 4. Why we are doing in this way means this 25 into 4 will give you 100. This 25 into 4 will give you 100. So the value will be, numerator is 13 into 16 divided by 100 into 100 into 10, you will be getting it. Now 13 into 16 alone we have to multiple. We are getting 208 by how many zeros we have? We have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here when we are doing division, here 5 zeros are there. So in decimal part there should be 5 numbers. So here already 3 numbers are available, that is 208. For the remaining 2 you have to add the zeros. So 0.00208. We are dividing by 50 number. So after the point 5 digits should come. So that is your correct answer. Instead of dividing these two, this is easy way. So here this is the first one is the correct answer. We'll move on to the next problem now. So here comes our next question. Find the greatest number which can divide both 324 and 144. We need to find one number that should divide these two numbers, that is nothing but HCF. HCF of both the numbers only will divide that number. So HCF of 324 and 144 we need to find out. Using Euclid's lemma, it's very easy to find it. Look at these two numbers, which is a big number. 324 is a big number. So 324 equal to 144 into what number we need to find. So this is, we are take it as dividend. This we are going to take it as divisor. So 324 we are dividing by 144. This is definitely 2 times. 2 times we will be getting 288. So subtraction, here we are getting 4. Remainder is 36 we are getting now. Now 144 into 2 plus 36 we are reaching. Since here not getting 0, do it once again. Now 144 will be taken as a dividend. This 36 will be taken as a divisor. Now again the division. But here you have to write this 144 inside, this 36 here. Now 36 4s are 144. The remainder is 0 we are getting now. So 36 into 4 plus the remainder is 0. Here we reached the remainder 0. When we are reaching the 0, that time what was the divisor? What was the divisor? That will be called as a HCF. So HCF is equal to 36. So 36 is your correct answer. Here it is. So D option is the correct one. We'll move on to the next problem now. So power of 2 in the prime factorization of 900 is your question. So do the prime factorization for 900, then we will find out what is the power of 2. So 900 will come in 3 tables 300 times. Again 300 will come in 3 table 100 times. 100 will come in 5 tables 20 times. Again 20 will come in 5 tables 4 times. 4 5s are 20. Now 2 table 2 times. Again 2 table 1 time. So the 900 can be written as, we are getting 3 2 times, that is 3 squared, 5 2 times 5 squared, and 2 times 2 squared. Now that is the question. What is the power of 2 in this prime factorization of 900? Power of 2 is 2 only. So that is our correct answer. The first option is correct. We'll move on to some 2 more questions now. So here our question is, the difference of 2 number is 135. So let us take the 2 number. One number is A, the another number is B. Let us consider. The difference between means minus of these two numbers is given as 1365 is given. Now in these two, which is a big number, which is a small number, we need to find out. definitely the first number will be the big number, second number should be the small number. Then only we will be getting a positive number as your answer. So definitely first number is a big. So A is a big number, B is a small number. You keep it in mind. Now the large number by the small number. That means the large number by the small number. If you are dividing, we will be getting 6 as a quotient. So the quotient value we will be getting as 6 and the remainder value we are getting as 15. So R is equal to 15. So this is a given question. What is a smaller number they are asking? So they are asking to find out what is B is a question. Now listen. So they are dividing A by B. So they are dividing some number A by B. We are getting some quotient. That quotient is 6. And we are reaching some remainder. Remainder is 15. So according to the Euclid's lemma, we can say that A is equal to BQ plus R. So when we are multiplying these two numbers, when we are adding it with 15, definitely that answer will be A only. So we can write it A is equal to 6 times B plus 15 we can write it. So this is our, actually here we have first equation, this is our second equation. So from here we need to find the B value. So minus B, just take it to other side. So we can get it A is equal to 1365 plus B, we can take it. So A value is 1365 plus B. That can be substituted here. The star value I am going to substitute here. Now in the place of A, 1365 plus B, which is equal to 6B plus 15. Bring the B to one side, number to one side. So 1365, this plus 15 take it to another side, minus 15. Here we have 6B plus B, take it to another side, that will be minus B. So subtraction of these two numbers. So 0, 5, 3, 1 we are getting. 6B minus 1B will give you 5B. So multiplication 5 will coming down as a division. So B is equal to 1350 by 5. So cancellation, 5 2s are 10, 3, 7, 3, 7 5s are 35, then the 0. So B is 270. If you want to get the A value, you can substitute here. But in our question, they are asked you to find only the smaller number. So B is a smaller number here. So 270 is your correct answer. That is given as a D option. That is the correct one. We'll move on to the next one now.